Hi students, welcome to a new class. Today we are going to learn something new, something interesting, and something really funny. The topic of today is the parts of my house. So we are going to learn 7 parts of the house. To start, we are going to learn with this. You know what is this? Yes, this is a living room where you can watch TV, rest in the sofa, stay with your family, the living room. Then we have this, where you can cook, you can prepare your breakfast, your meals, etc. Yes, it's the kitchen. Then we have a special part, a special place where you can eat your lunch, your dinner, or your breakfast also. It is the dining room. There you can see that there is a table, the chairs. No, it's a special place where you can eat. Now, this part where you can take a shower, like this boy, he's taking a shower. This is the bathroom. Very good. Now, my favorite place, my favorite part of the house, where you can sleep, or you maybe can watch TV or read a book or play with your toys. This is the bedroom. Very good. Now, this place where you can play with your brother, with your friends. This is the garden. Do you have a garden in your house? I have a garden in my house. And finally, the place where you can keep your car if you have, or maybe your bicycle. This is the garage. Okay, now we are going to make a review, and I want that you can repeat the words. Okay, so first we're going to start with this. House, repeat. House, that's right. Living room, repeat. Living room, very good. Kitchen, kitchen, that's right. Dining room, the dining room. Bathroom, bathroom. Bedroom, yes, bedroom. Garden, garden, excellent. Garage, garage. Very good, good job. Okay, now I am going to make some questions to you and you have to answer, okay? So, let's make a review. Which part of the house is this? That's right, the living room. How about this? Excellent, bathroom. This? Very good, kitchen. Excellent, garden. How about this? Very good, bedroom. And this one? Dining room, excellent. How about this? The garage. And this? A house. Good job. Now, I want that you can draw your house and the different parts that you have in your house. Okay, you have to draw in a paper, color, and then you're going to present it to your friends and show them your favorite part of the house. I hope you enjoy it. See you later.